Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For face primer today, I'm going to be going in with the Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer from First Aid Beauty. So we're going to be applying this. I've never used it before. It looks like a little, like a crema, like a lotion. Oh, I keep forgetting I have a nose ring and I tug at it. Guys, I know my setup's a little dark. I have some things on the way, some more lighting. So the quality will get better. I'm very sorry that it's kind of like dark, you know? But I do feel like it's very true to color. So what you see is what you get, and that's kind of good. So you guys can see how the makeup products turn out. All right, that feels really, really good. It feels very like smooth, like it smoothed my skin. It doesn't feel like super tacky. It doesn't feel like very silicone-y like other ones do. I don't really want to try anything new right now, but I do have this new Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. Let me know if you guys use this. I want to know how it is. And then I also picked up the Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation. Definitely let me know in the comments down below. But today I'm going to be using this one. It's kind of a new favorite. This is the CoverGirl Outlast Extreme Wear 3-in-1 Foundation. Alright, so I'm just going to get started. I have my headband on. Isn't this so cute? I got it at the Dollar Tree. Super cheap. $1. Okay, so I'm going to go in. I'm number 817 Natural. Golden Natural. I hate that I have so much shadowing behind me. Didn't quite like that. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pump this on to my sponge. Just gonna do like so. There's me that there's shadow, but like I said, be patient. I'm gonna be getting rid of that. Really trying to avoid the whole foundation lip, but I can't. It's really hard. Has a lot of good coverage, as you guys can see. I feel like it dries really fast, so you do have to work in sections, or anyway, that's how I do it. I just work in sections, and I feel like I can avoid it drying too quickly instead of dotting it all over my face like I usually do. So that's a trick if you guys are trying this foundation out. Guys, I miss like filming actual toots. I'm gonna call them toots. I miss filming actual toots. It's so fun. I don't know what I've been doing with my life. I'm sorry that I didn't mean to like leave you guys. I work a lot, and you know that already from my channel if you're not new here. If you're new here, but I do plan to be on here once a week for sure. I will be here once a week no matter what. All right, for concealer, we're going in with the e.l.f. This is the 16-hour Camo Concealer. I don't know who I thought I was when I picked up this shade. And I like this shade, but as you guys can see, it's like a little bit dark. But I'm just gonna mix the two. I need to pick up another one of these. It's light peach, and I have the shade Fair Warm. So I figured this was like a little bit warm, but there's no warmth there at all. So I'm gonna put a little here, a little there, a little here, just to give like a little brightening action, you know? And then I'm gonna do a little there. Then I'm gonna go in with the darker shade. I'm going to just blend it. Add some here, and then I'm also gonna help blend this as well. If you put concealer underneath your foundation, underneath your powder, it'll just kind of help clean up beforehand. So then you don't have to go in and bake if you don't want to. I still go ahead and do because I'm crazy. I always get it on my eyelid, so I go ahead and just use it as an eyelid base. There you go. Alright, so as you guys can see, it like really, really brightens the under eyes. Maybe a little too much, but it's no big deal. We can fix it with powder. We can bronze or whatever, so that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take my favorite powder. This is the Fit Me in the shade 10, Fair Light. And I'm just gonna go in with my wet beauty blender and just set my under eyes. Alright, so I do want to use some cream products, so I'm going to be cream contouring. I really wish I had cream blush. In the next video, I'll be sure to pick up the e.l.f. cream blushes. I've been hearing and seeing so much about them, and they look amazing. I seriously want all of them. I know that there's one called Bahamas, I think, and another B word, I don't know, but they look amazing. Let me know if you've tried them and which color should I pick up. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take this brush, and I'm taking Fenty Suede. Such a beautiful shade. Alright, now that I set my face with, I use the same Fit Me powder that I used to bake. Now we're gonna contour with a powder, and this is the LA Colors contour palette. I love this one. If you probably already know, but I'm gonna be taking this color and the one here at the end. Alright, so I just like to go on the sides of my face because I feel like I have a round face. So just, alright, so I just like to go on the sides of my face because I feel like I have a round face. So just, that's where I apply the contour. I want a little bit more contour, so this is Anastasia in the shade Tawny. Just a nice shade like this, and I'm gonna go in and like further contour a little bit around here. This is from e.l.f. and it is in the shade Cantaloupe. Looks like that. It's very like cantaloupe shade. It's exactly what it says. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit to the cheeks. Like it, it's really pretty. It's just like for somebody that doesn't really like a lot of blush, but you still want something. It's pretty. It does come with a highlight. I'm debating if I want to use that one. No, I think I'm gonna use a different highlight today. Actually, let's just try it out. It doesn't have a shade, but it's really pretty. It's like a champagne type of shade. It's really pretty. So if it's not glowy enough, then I'll add something else. But let's try it out. So I don't have setting spray and I'm not at home, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it. Ooh, but I have this, so this is water, so we're just gonna improvise and I'm just gonna use that. Moving on, next I'm gonna do the brows. I'm gonna quickly fill them in. I'm gonna fast forward through this because it gets really boring. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Ebony by Anastasia with my Anastasia brush. I think it's a number 12. Alright, the brows are as good as they're gonna get, so we're just gonna move on to the eyes. Just gonna go in with the e.l.f. concealer and use this as a base, not as a primer, because it's not really gonna help your eyeshadow last long, but it's gonna hide all the veins and color that you have on your lid that you don't want. Alright, so we're gonna be doing like a neutral glam look today because I'm gonna be going out and I don't want to look crazy in colors or anything like that. This is the Morphe 35V. I think I'm gonna use this one just because it has like a lot of neutrals, and I do feel like I want to use that color there. That's really pretty. The Tribe by, it's Juvia's Palace, right? Or Juvia's Place palette? I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna go into this color here and then probably into this shade. I don't know if I want to go this warm. I'm thinking more maroons. We'll see. But yeah, for sure these two first. I'm just gonna go in with that light shade and start building it into the crease. The thing that I like to do is I like to go in with the blush that I wore and I like to put that into the crease. It just pulls your look together so much more. So I'm just gonna be going in with my blush shade. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the shade Damn by Morphe. This is the In1 or In1. In1. I'm gonna go in with this shade here. And then I'm gonna be going into the Revealed palette by Coastal Scents. Gonna go in with this maroon shade. I know I wasn't gonna do maroon, but we're gonna do it because I don't know. In the corner, I'm going to go in with Nylon. It's from MAC and it's super, super shimmery, like really beautiful. I'm just gonna, just like so, something like kind of glam, but then kind of simple also, if you call this simple. I do like pulls it all together. So I'm going to be going in with NYX matte eyeliner. Alright, so I finally got the eyeliner done. It's not the best, but it's okay. I'm going to be applying some mascara, and then I'm going to pop on some old lashes. I forget which ones they are. I forget. As they're drying, I'm going to go ahead and apply something on the lips. Something nude. I don't know if I want darker nude, but I'm going to try this one first, and we'll see. This is Broadway in the color Juliet. Oh no, that's really bright. Alright, so I'm going to be using this one today. It's shade 740 Honey Matte by L'Oreal. Oh, I'm going to do a lip liner first. I almost forgot. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the lip liner in the shade, this one's in the shade Natural. It's by L'Oreal. And then just filling in my lips using 740 Honey Matte by L'Oreal. Alright guys, that completes today's look. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you did, give the video a thumbs up so that I know to post more videos like this one. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.